In this section, we will create modal dialogs, which is used to manipulate data. In Page, go for Toolbar, expand the material component, select the button, and then drag inside the flex row. Now, go for the properties, click on the button, and then type add employee inside the inner HTML. Now button is added, and then go for controller to add method for a button. Click on add method, then new function. Now give the name of the function, and click on plus button, then function is created successfully. Now it's time to create a modal dialog for a button. For that, right-click on Modal Dialog, click on Add Modal Dialog. Give the modal dialog and module name whatever you want. I just give modal dialog name as add edit employees and module name as employees. Click on OK. Here click on View. Here we are going to add some components for UI. Next expand flex element. Then select and drag the flex column. Now expand material components and search for input. And then drag inside the flex column. So same thing would be happen with other components too. Next, just follow the steps. Now, it's time to set the property like name, placeholder, inner HTML, etc. for all the components. Again, go for Toolbar. Drag the flex row from flex element and buttons from materials to save and cancel the data. Now again click on button, then click on properties to set the property for a buttons. Click on controller. Click on services, and then drag the insert service inside the controllers. Click on add method, click on new function, and then give the function name. This function is used to add new employee. Now click on view model. Click on plus icon to store data of the new employee. Again go for controller, and make a connection between method and service. Then make a connection between employees and employee. Click on update. And now, do same for the insert service and OK. Now, it's time to go for tree. First select data binding type, as ng model, which is used to bind the view to the model. Then make a connection like this. Again click on select data binding type. And, this time select click. And the connection for click event is created. Now click on Save. Again open the page. Click on Controllers. Drag the modal dialog from Modal Dialog under Methods. Connect the function to Modal Dialog. Then, connect Get Employee List Response List selected item to Employee. Click on Update. Lastly, save the page. and generate the application. This is a generated project. This is a code snippet for button. And here, add employee function is call. This is the TypeScript file. And from, inside the add employee function, model dialog gets called. This is the generated code for modal dialog, which is called from employee function. That was all about modal dialog. Thank you for watching.